Hello, beautiful. It's time for our flamboyant combo. In this mini combo, it is flamboyant, it's very confident, it's grandiose, and it mirrors like a fire element. So it's gonna be more of an outward movement. So we're gonna bring the combos that we've learned in our previous videos. And so for those in the membership program, look at the whole month of August. It's all in there. And then for YouTube, I'll have it in the description. Okay, let's go to it. So I'm not gonna be breaking it down. Just look at those videos that we did before. We're just gonna go and put all these beautiful movement into how can you put it into a transition mode, which creates a combo. So the first movement would be the hip drop kick with the hand going to the heart. So we'll do two of those. Let's start with the right side into your classical pose. So you're gonna go hip drop, kick. So that's it. So you're just doing one actually, but it's two counts. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and bring your arms up for the second movement. 1 and 2, and then feet together, getting ready for the second movement, which is going to be your shimmies. We're just going to do this one more time. 1 and 2, and get ready to slide the shimmy. So it's a slide shimmy to the right. 3 and 4. So this is your second movement. You're doing a slide with your pelvis, twice to the right, adding the shimmy. So let's put those two combos together. I mean, those two movements. 1 and, a bit faster. 1 and, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop kick, slide with the shimmy. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Drop kick, slide and slide. Drop kick, slide and slide. Drop kick and slide and slide. All right, and then the next movement is the hip lift pivot. So you're already going here. Now add the arm with the hip lift to the right, and now we're gonna go to the back. Now you're facing the back wall. Now your hip is facing the left wall. And then now you're gonna come into the shoulder shimmy, where you're gonna face me with your right foot and shoulder shimmy, lean towards me. So you're doing the hip lift into your shoulder shimmy. So that's gonna be 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's the whole, so it's 8 counts. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again. The right side, and then we'll transition to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, shoulder shimmy. Again, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now let's do from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So shoulder shimmy. The weight is on your right foot. Okay. Transfer your weight on the left. So that's going to be 8 and get ready. 1. So you're going to have to go right, left, right. Right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the weight is on your left. Switch over, right, left, and then you start with the hip. Drop, drop, kick, slide and slide, lift and pivot, lift and pivot, lift and pivot, shoulder shimmy, switch. Drop, drop, kick, slide, slide, lift, pivot, lift, pivot, lift, pivot, shoulder shimmy, switch. Again, drop, drop, kick, slide and slide, lift, 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 shoulder shimmy and switch. Drop, drop, kick, slide and slide, lift, pivot, lift, pivot, lift, pivot, shoulder shimmy. All right, let's do this with music. But before we do it with the music, the count's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So the first one is just single counts, and then the other ones I'm going to add the ands. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Drop, drop, kick, and then straight. So this one is, there's no ands in this one. It's just 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 3, after 3 you start with the ands. So it kind of gives you more to work with. All right, music.